Recovery efforts continue following Hurricane Helene. Now millions of Americans are in the path of yet another storm. Hurricane Milton is expected to make landfall tomorrow night along Florida's west coast.
Here at home, people in Lackawanna County are looking to help those down south prepare for whatever comes next. Newswatch 16's Jack Culkin shows us how two groups are doing what they can to lend a helping hand.
Almost 2 weeks after Hurricane Helene caused billions of dollars in damage across Florida and North Carolina, Hurricane Milton is nearing landfall.
The need is indescribable.
In between the storms, organizations like Greater Scranton YMCA in Dunmore are looking to help those who need it most. Working with the Pennsylvania State Alliance of YMCAs, the nonprofit and others across the state hope to raise thousands in funds that will be sent to Center County YMCA. Their crews will buy much-needed supplies in bulk to be shipped to a food distribution center in Asheville, North Carolina.
There's one food distribution center that's functioning in the Asheville region, and that's the YMCA's. So they're really working hard to serve those people in need.
At Zumo's Cafe in Scranton, donations for hurricane victims and their families continue pouring in.
The response from the community in Scranton and surrounding areas has been absolutely unbelievable.
Eileen Brennan started gathering goods with a focus on expecting mothers and newborns.
Packaged waterproof like this and labeled, so sterile gloves, flushable wipes, cleaning supplies.
But with Hurricane Milton expected to batter already damaged communities, her list has grown.
And they are asking for more of phase 2 survival items, which involve gas cans, propane tanks, camping stoves, tarps, things that can set people up to survive through not only the next round of storms that are coming through, but also the drop in temperatures that's about to happen.
Donations for victims at the Greater Scranton YMCA and Zumo's Cafe will go on into next week. Jack Culkin, Newswatch 16, Scranton.